In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your GoDaddy subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're no longer using their services or simply wish to avoid unnecessary expenses, these easy-to-follow steps will guide you through the process from start to finish. First, you'll need to head over to the GoDaddy website and sign in to your account. If you haven't signed in already, take a moment to ensure you're using the correct credentials. Logging into your account is essential, as it's your portal to all the services and subscriptions you have with GoDaddy. Once you've successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon displaying your initials. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Account Settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your subscription details. Next, once you're inside the Account Settings page, turn your attention to the sidebar on the left. This panel is your navigation guide to different sections. Here, you're going to select Payment Methods. Clicking on this will present you with a list of all the payment methods associated with your account. More importantly, you'll find a section labeled Subscription. This is where all your active service subscriptions are listed. Within the subscription section, search for the product or service you wish to cancel. Once you've found it, you'll see an option labeled Manage or Options. Click on that to move forward. At this stage, GoDaddy typically provides a Cancel, Unsubscribe, or a similar option, which you'll need to select. This step might trigger a prompt, typically a pop-up window, that asks you to confirm your choice. It's vital here to review all the details presented to ensure that cancellation is indeed what you want. Once you've made up your mind, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. It's worth noting that GoDaddy sometimes provides additional options to customize aspects of their service, like the button's style, color, and size. However, for the purpose of simply canceling your subscription, this is not something you'll need to worry about. Just focus on completing the cancellation process and you'll be all set. With those steps completed, you've successfully canceled your GoDaddy subscription. Be sure to check your email for a confirmation from GoDaddy, which is typically sent out as an assurance that your cancellation has been processed. If you don't receive an email, or if you encounter any issues during this process, it might be a good idea to reach out to GoDaddy's customer support for assistance. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, your GoDaddy subscription is canceled. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and informative tutorials just like this one.